Okay. So soul shock, soul trauma. Let's just run that meridian. Okay. What does the soul mean to you? How is your soul feeling? On a scale of 1 to 1,000,000,000, how happy is your soul? How happy are you on the planet? How grounded is your soul feeling at this moment? How well are you integrating your body and soul on this beautiful, amazing planet of ours at the moment, even with all the chaos going on in the background? They can take our bodies, they can't take our souls. Okay. My soul is a radical energy. I release all karmic energy from my soul. My soul is free from fear. My soul is free to develop. My soul is free to evolve. How strong is your soul? Have traumas from your past made your soul more resilient or more allowed it to shrink? Have the traumas from your past allowed you to grow, or have they caused you to go internally and made you fearful of the world? Let's get some tuning forks. Heart energy, allowing that soul energy to be intertwined with our heart, our self-love, our self-worth, our self-belief. Okay. My soul is free from fear. I listen to my soul. I pay attention to my soul. My soul is a beautiful, radiant energy. I am free to rediscover my true essence. I no longer sabotage my soul power. It is safe to reveal the real me. I remove all embarrassment around showing the real me. My soul is free from harm. My soul is free to release contracts. My soul is free to release old bondages. My soul is free to develop. My soul is a beautiful, radiant energy. My soul is free from fear. Breathing in. Let go all that air. Let it out, let it out, let it out. I now choose to let others see the real me. I now have access to all relevant information in my soul. My soul is functioning totally in the energies of this lifetime. I allow my self-essence to emerge. I release all trauma from the soul that is slowing my growth. Okay, let's see what the amygdala has to say. Okay. Escape, submission, freeze, running away from showing our true selves. I stand in my own power. I stand in my own beauty. I stand in my own perfection. When my lessons have been learnt from my soulmates, I am free to let them go. It is safe for me to show my self-essence. I release all my past traumas, preventing my soul from evolving. I am free to be me. I am free in my perfection. I am free on this amazing, beautiful planet of ours. I am free from listening to bad actors on the planet. My soul is a radiant energy. I have learnt and released past soul patterns with ease and grace. My soul's energy is pure. My self-energy is free to release. My soul is free from anger. My soul is free from guilt. My soul is free from pain. Back into the amygdala, fear, threat, danger. I spend time listening to my soul. My soul differentiates between past, present, future energies. My soul energy stays in the now, even when I come in contact with people from my past. I no longer sabotage my self-essence. I no longer suppress my self-essence. It is safe to reveal the real me. Anti-clockwise over the heart helps to connect left, right, up, down, front, back part of the brain. Okay. Open your hearts and mind to what's really, truly going on the planet. Allow your mind to be free. Allow your brain to feel what's true. Don't be taken in by fear. Don't be taken in by bad actors. Don't be taken in by powerful people in positions to damage you and your soul. Trust, release, own your perfection. Release those shocks that have happened in your soul. My soul has a beautiful, radiant energy. My soul is perfect in every way. Fringed violet Australian bush flower essence. It's for shock, trauma, damage to our aura. I'll do 10 drops. That goes back into both the genetics and the past lives. Releasing any and all past lives affecting my soul. releasing any and all past traumas affecting my soul. And then some angel sword. So imagine your angels cutting those ties to any and all past damaging connections, ties, bondages, bonds. Once again, I'll do 10 drops to go back through the genetics and past lives. We've got a hot, cloudy day coming up here in Brisbane. I hope wherever you are on the planet, you find some peace, find some love, find some happiness today. Take care. Love you. Bye. Have a great day.